Top story tonight, a federal judge's ruling requiring Knox County Schools to issue a mask mandate.
All right, so how does this work? How long will the mandate last? What are people saying? For all of that, let's turn things over now to WAT 6 on your side reporter, Jordan Brown. Jordan?
Yeah, a federal court judge has now issued a temporary injunction telling Knox County Schools to enforce a mask mandate. This comes after several Knox County families filed a lawsuit. In that suit, allegations that Governor Bill Lee's executive order and Knox County Schools' lack of mask mandate violates the Americans with Disabilities Act. Judge Ronnie Greer says Knox County Schools must immediately enforce the mask mandate that was in place during the 2021 school year. However, some people, like State Representative Jason Zachary, are less than thrilled about that injunction, referring to it as foolishness.
A federal judge has now come in, functioning as a legislative body, trying to implement a mask mandate in Knox County. This foolishness only stops when we make it stop. Government derives its power from the consent of the governed. Do you consent? That's the question. Do you consent, and will you continue to consent?
Jason Zachary needs to go back to Government 101. These are federal statutes that Judge Greer has cited. You can't go down to Nashville and pass a law that would somehow limit the Americans with Disabilities Act or the Rehabilitation Act of 1973, Section 504. A representative or a state body cannot eliminate federal laws designed to protect the handicapped.
Now, you just heard our legal analyst Greg Isaacs weighing in on our WATE.com alert desk this afternoon. The president of the Knox County Education Association also weighed in, saying this announcement wasn't something she was expecting, but she believes mitigation efforts like this fall in line with the Teachers Code of Ethics.
How this ruling would impact us is that it gives us an opportunity to do exactly what we are obligated to do, and we're obligated to make sure that every student has access, to learning, and every student has access to a healthy and safe environment in which to learn.
Now, Judge Greer's ruling also temporarily blocks Governor Lee from enforcing Executive Order 84. We've told you that it allowed parents to opt their child out of school mask mandates. However, Judge Greer says students with autism or a tracheotomy would still be able to be opted out of mask mandates. Now, we did try to catch up with the superintendent of Knox County Schools and the school board chair at a workshop this afternoon, but they were not available for comment. Bo?
All right, Jordan, thank you. And a response, though, from the school system tonight. A spokesperson tells us KCS is reviewing the order right now, and we're going to be sure to update you with what happens next.
We also reached out to the governor's office, and we're told the governor believes parents are best at deciding what is best for their children's health.